Hello everybody, welcome to our introduction to disaster recovery and resilience in the cloud. My name is Sam and I'm the marketing coordinator at Think S3. Today we're going to show you the benefits of a robust disaster recovery strategy in the cloud and how we can help you to achieve this. Firstly, I would just like to introduce us, Think S3. Think S3 have been at the leading edge of technology for 14 years, bringing the latest solutions to the market to transform IT infrastructure. We promise to help our customers understand the benefits of digital transformation and change. We implement this change with minimal risk and disruption to operations and work with our customers to reach and exceed their IT business goals. Our mission is to transform each and every organisation we deal with through the power of the latest technology and industry-leading support. Our partnership with Microsoft is a long-standing one. We've been there from the start in Azure, and we're one of the founding members of the Cloud Partner Programme. This means we have the expertise and experience to drive your business transformation in the Azure Cloud. If you were to join with S3, you would be in good company. This slide indicates just a few of the organisations that we currently work with. Before I hand over to my colleague Rob, we would like to show you a very short video that introduces the concept of disaster recovery in the Azure Cloud.
You are master of your domain, sire of the servers, infrastructure intelligence agent. The business requires non-stop access to data and applications, and you're there to make it happen. Microsoft Azure provides enterprise-grade disaster recovery and backup solutions that optimize reliability with service availability, geo-distributed backup, and global site replication. You can welcome peace of mind knowing you're always up, always on, and you can say goodbye to the drudgery of managing tape. You don't need a crystal ball to know that outages aren't a matter of if, but of when. User error, natural disaster, software vulnerability, and equipment failure all happen. Azure Site Recovery protects your applications by replicating physical and virtual machines to a secondary data center, hosting service provider, or directly to Azure for premium customization, automation, and orchestration. When an outage happens, initiating failover is as easy as finding the nearest internet connection or allowing the automatic system to take over. And recovery drills can be run anytime without disrupting services at your primary location, so you're free to hang out in your favorite location. All of our plans are fully scalable to match your demand, and you only pay for what you use. With 99.95% availability, around-the-clock enterprise support, continuous health monitoring, and lower costs of incremental and full backups, you're simply getting a bulletproof solution. Learn more at azure.com.
Unfortunately, disasters do really happen, and it's at this critical time that you'll need to depend on your DR strategy. Challenges for this can include the complexity of protecting and recovery of data and applications, untested disaster recovery, and decreasing recovery confidence. And of course, higher costs as data size and number of VMs increase. If you're already consuming resource in Azure, then Backup and ASR are probably the next features you should be considering when it comes to protecting your valuable infrastructure. Microsoft provides two solutions for business continuity in the cloud, Azure Site Recovery and Azure Backup. These solutions allow you to eliminate the hassle and cost of secondary data centers and tap into nearly infinite capacity at a moment's notice with a cloud-based data recovery solution. Firstly, I would like to talk to you briefly about Azure Backup. This is a fully cloud-based service that you can use to protect and restore your data. Azure Backup can replace your existing on-premise or off-site backup solution with a cloud-based one that's reliable, secure, and cost-effective. Azure Backup offers multiple solutions that you can download and deploy. The components or agents that you deploy with your environment depend on what you want to protect. All Azure Backup components, no matter whether you are protecting your on-site data or data stored in the cloud, can be used to back up to Recovery Services Vault in Azure. Azure Backup allows you to extend your existing DPM solution into Azure. This gives you maximum flexibility and an extra level of resilience. Moving on to Azure Site Recovery, this gives you a solution for multiple scenarios and multiple hypervisors. With ASR, you're able to protect Hyper-V to Hyper-V on-premise, Hyper-V to Microsoft Azure, VMware or physical to VMware, VMware or physical to Microsoft Azure, and of course, Microsoft Azure to Microsoft Azure. Taking some of the most common scenarios, you can protect your on-site hypervised infrastructure, allowing you to protect both physical and virtual servers. Using Azure as your disaster recovery site, ASR provides automated protection and replication, customized recovery plans, and one-click failover. You also have the ability to carry out no-impact recovery plan testing.
Getting started with disaster recovery in the cloud is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply get in touch using the details on the slide, speak to one of our experts, and then get started with your free Azure credit so that you can discover all that is possible in the Azure cloud.